Good morning. Soul Talk, episode 117, Motivation for Your Soul. The only thing that matters is the present moment. Sometimes things happen in your life and you start to think back on, man, but I remember when it was different. I remember when things were a little bit better. I remember when I wasn't going through what I was going through. Why is this happening right now? And then sometimes we think about what we want to happen in the future. Man, I can't wait till this happen. As soon as I get past this, everything gonna be all right. But what we have to start doing is this. Remembering, the present is the only thing that matters. The past is in our mind, and the future has never happened. Even when the future comes, it will still be in the present. We just haven't got there yet. So let's not worry about what we didn't do yesterday or what we're about to do tomorrow, and focus on what we're going to do right now in this moment. The present is the only thing that matters. The past is in our mind. The future has never happened. Focus on the now. Motivation for your soul. Have a great day.